Have you ever wondered what people eat for breakfast around the world? The first meal of the day varies significantly from one country to another, offering a fascinating insight into diverse cultures and traditions. Today we delve into the world of breakfasts, exploring the most popular morning meals across the globe. In the United Kingdom, a full English breakfast is a hearty way to start the day. This meal typically includes fried eggs, sausages, bacon, baked beans, grilled tomatoes, black pudding, and toast. There's also a vegetarian version of this substantial breakfast, with plant-based sausages and grilled mushrooms. Crossing over to France, breakfast is a more delicate affair. Known as le petit déjeuner, it usually consists of a croissant or a piece of baguette, often spread with butter and jam. This is typically enjoyed with a cup of coffee or hot chocolate. Now journey to Japan, where breakfast serves as a balanced meal to fuel the day. A traditional Japanese breakfast might include grilled fish, steamed rice, miso soup, and pickled vegetables. There's also natto, a dish made from fermented soybeans, though it's a bit of an acquired taste. Hop over to Mexico, where breakfast is a vibrant and flavorful event. Chilaquiles are a popular choice, featuring fried tortilla strips simmered in salsa, topped with cheese, cream, and often served with a side of refried beans. It's a dish that certainly packs a punch. Next, we land in Australia, where breakfast is a sunny affair. Avocado on toast is a national favorite, often served with poached eggs and a sprinkle of feta cheese. Paired with a flat white coffee, it's a refreshing way to start the day down under. In Turkey, breakfast or kahvaltı is a true feast. A common spread might include bread, cheese, olives, tomatoes, cucumbers, jam, honey, and menemen, a dish made of eggs, tomatoes, green peppers, and spices. Finally, in the United States, breakfast varies from state to state. However, a classic American breakfast often includes eggs, bacon or sausage, toast, and a side of hash browns or pancakes. It's a meal that carries the promise of a productive day. In conclusion, breakfast traditions around the world offer a delightful variety. From the hearty English breakfast to the delicate French petit déjeuner, the balanced Japanese meal to the vibrant Mexican chilaquiles, the refreshing Aussie avocado toast to the Turkish feast, and the classic American breakfast, each country presents a unique and delicious way to break the fast. So next time you sit down for your morning meal, why not take a culinary trip around the world?